like this class because it's helping me get a little more confidence and learn new skills to get a new career.
The class is a lot of fun. You learn so many different things. You make a lot of new friends. You meet a lot of new people. You learn what the tools are and how you work with some of the tools that you have in what you work with.
It's interesting, fast-paced, and there's not as much room to stop and be forced to be bored with as most of the other classes I've taken.
About this class?
Well, I'm liking them getting a chance to learn a new skill. That's definitely pretty fun. I like my classmates. They're pretty awesome. Yeah, that's pretty
Josh, tell me why you like this class.
Because it's giving me to learn new things, and it can help me get a better job.
Just learning a new trade and learning for a new career.
Justin, what do you like about this class?
I told you everything. It's fun.
Wait.